back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. I've seen in the comments that some of you are looking for work from home jobs that are going to supply you with the computer equipment that you need, and that is what I have for you today. So this is perfect for those of you who want to work from home but don't have a computer or home office set up to do so. But real quickly, before we dive on in, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best remote work from home jobs and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out on another job opportunity, make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. And as always, the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to get that application in. But today's job lead is from Dish Network. They provide satellite TV. They are hiring a remote customer service representative. Now, this is for select states in the United States, and those states are Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kansas, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, West Virginia, and Wyoming. So if you're in one of those states, this might be for you. Now, of course, I'm reading the list of states right here. The pay range is listed by state because pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience. Some states pay $15 an hour, while other states pay $16.50 an hour. So you'll have to come find your state in this list for your correct pay range. But they are basically just looking for a customer experience representative to serve as an information resource for billing, programming, and technical troubleshooting questions. You'll include promoting products and services to their new and existing customers to get the most value and enjoyment from their Dish experience. So you'll just be answering the phones and providing solutions to customers for their inquiries, issues, and questions. They are looking for somebody to work 8-hour shifts 5 days a week with at least 2 days off in a row, but those 2 days could be during the week. They are looking for someone who can do weekend support as well. Now, they have rotating schedules that change every 12 to 15 weeks based on business needs. Of course, again, this is a full-time work from home position. On top of the pay, they're providing a standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. But as far as what they're looking for, you don't have to meet very many requirements. Just have a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is required, and just 6 months of some kind of customer service or troubleshooting experience, and have an open mind, be open to feedback and being coachable and being able to learn new techniques. That is it. Now, again, they are going to provide the equipment for you. They're going to provide you with a PC tower and a power adapter, 2 monitors, and associated cords and cabling that connects all of that together. You are going to have your own internet connection. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.